Hi everyone, welcome back to Mom's Artistry. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am sharing an upcycle project which makes a beautiful piece of decor. Here I upcycled an old frying pan with decoupage into a lovely kitchen decor. Podge is the art of decorating objects with paper cutouts. Here I am using paper napkins. It has a wide variety of designs and it is the most common way to decoupage with it. I am using Podge as a decoupage medium. It is a glue, sealer and finish designed for art and craft project. Let's get started. All the materials required to do this DIY are mentioned in the description box below with the links from you can also buy. First, apply the acrylic paint on the pan that will adhere to metal and plastic. Here I am using white acrylic paint. Let it dry completely. There are a lot of paper types that you can use in order to craft with decoupage technique. Here I am using napkin paper. Separate the top layer of the napkin. Only the top layer is required. After drying, apply Podge on the pan. Next, printed napkin needs to be glued down. Place the napkin. Do it carefully since it is very thin and delicate and easily tear when wet with Podge. Next, I am going to cover the pan handle with twine. Add the glue and attach the twine. Then start twirling your twine around the pan handle. Push the twine down to make sure you cover any gaps. Lay a top layer of Mod Podge over the napkin once it is completely dry. This decoupage technique can be used in many different surfaces like glass, wooden, canvas and metal, etc. Thank you for watching the video.